Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Today's topic for discussion is ABC Outlook for Life. Let me start with an anecdote or message. This message is in Telugu. Only Telugu knowing people can relish this message. ఇద్దరు మనుషుల మధ్య తగాదాలకు ముఖ్య కారణం మూడో మనిషి మాటకు విలువ ఇవ్వటం. Telugu people enjoyed this message. Coming to the topic, all of you need to accentuate positive attitude. You need to accentuate positive attitude. When you start life in the morning, accentuate positive attitude, positive thought. During the day, everything goes positive. You need to, all of you need to accentuate positive attitude. Accentuate means make prominent. Productive work is possible through positive attitude. I always wear a positive attitude. That is why all my work is positive. Every time. From 58 years, all positive work. All positive work. All positive work. Why? Because in the morning when I wake up, I'll take only positive thoughts into my, all of you, if you take positive minds, then you will be successful in life. Positive attitude develops positive relationships. If you are positive with people, with my cameraman Sanjay, with my editor Kumar, so with all these people, no, and my photographer Satish Kumar, and all people working with me, why I maintain positive relation with them. Only positive outlook of mine carries them with me. That is why positive outlook is very important in human life. Build trust and friendship for strengthening interpersonal relationships. Build trust and friendship for strengthening interpersonal relationships. So, interpersonal relationships can be strengthened with the trust, friendship. If friendship bond is there, trust bond is there, interpersonal relationships can be cemented. Once interpersonal relations are cemented, then you can achieve anything. Because you need people. At least you have one friend in life. Find what is bright, noble and wonderful in the people you work with. In the people what you have to search? Brightness, nobility, wonderfulness. Then you can work with them very nicely. ABC Outlook. I am giving the viewpoint of ABC, the outlook of ABC. Okay? Let me see what is ABC Outlook in life. A stands for activator. Activate means the goal. Set the goal first in life. B stands for behavior, the task. Observe the behavior while doing the task. C stands for consequence, the response. See the consequence. That means be the activator, that means set the goal and have behavior, the task, then see the consequence, the response, so that you will know everything. That means ABC outlook in life is required. That is, A stands for activator, B stands for behavior, C stands for consequence. Consequence means output, result. Okay. Set the goal, Observe the behavior while doing the work, task, and see the consequence. Finish. The consequence is in your hands. Redirect the wrongdoer to do something right. If someone is doing wrong, someone is resorting to wrongdoing, redirect him, set him right to do the right thing in life. Redirection does work with whales. Whales. Redirection is possible. It works well with whales. When with whales, why not with human beings? Trainers of whales redirect the energy of whales to do the right, and they do it. Trainers of whales redirect them so that they will do the right things. The whales, the animals. This technique works with people also. When this technique works with whales, why can't it work with people? It works. People respond to a compliment in an assertive manner. Vanita, you are doing a good job. So nice, you see. Then that compliment she requires. Okay? That means if you compliment people, they take it in an assertive manner. Okay? Always compliment people. Example, when children don't listen to parents, don't scold them. When children are not listening parents, don't scold them. If scolded, they become adamant and are tempted to repeat such behavior. If you scold children, what will happen? They will turn to adamant and they do the same worst thing, bad thing again. Don't scold the children. You teach them, preach them nicely so that they will come to your terms. Another way of redirection is praise. Another way is praising. If you praise, they do the right thing. All people, including children, like appreciative behavior. If you have appreciative behavior, all people will listen to you. For example, Sanjay, Kumar, Vanita, these people, Satish Kumar, these people, no? They will just to appreciation. Appreciative behavior is there, then they try to work. No, we have to work for sir. They feel appreciative behavior is required. Reward is an essential ingredient for encouraging others. Okay? So what is required? Reward. If reward given, people will come to terms with you. Reward. Always reward people with appreciative word or with some gift. Reward. People self-motivate themselves to do the right things. So, if no motivator, what you have to do? Self-motivate yourself. Self-motivate yourself to do the right things. Who motivated me? I am Hari Prasad Konapareddy. Who motivated me? No one motivated. No one motivated. I am a self-motivator. I proudly can say I am son of a peasant, farmer. Who motivated me to come to this level, to become an IAS officer? Who motivated? I myself motivated myself. That means self-motivation. All people should have self-motivation. Even today, I don't drink. I don't take alcohols. I don't smoke. I don't. Jarda, sagar, I don't eat. Gutka, I don't eat. Then who motivate me? Gambling, I don't do. no gambling, nothing. Then who motivated me? So self-motivation. So when self-motivation is possible for me, why not possible to you? It's possible. Be self-motivators. All the students in the world should be self-motivators. Then external motivator, the other motivator comes later. Okay? Be self-motivators. Before closing the lecture, I'll give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust yourself. 2. Trust your brain. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. Nannu nammandi. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.